Good afternoon everyone. I am fine. How are you? I hope you will be fine. Welcome back in my channel Dr. Satyendra Kumar. Dear friends, if you want this type of videos related to mathematics for higher level, then you need to subscribe, share and like my videos and my channel. Today we will discuss remaining part of mathematical orthogonal trajectory of mathematics. Now there are some problem here. Now first problem number first, find the orthogonal trajectory, find the orthogonal trajectory of the family of curve of the family of curve xy is equal to k square, where k being parameter. Okay. Now solution is, this is the given equation of family of curve xy equal to k square, denoted by equation number first. Now differentiate with respect to x here. X as it, differentiation of y dy upon dx plus differentiation of x is equal to 1 and into y as it, this is equal to 0. Now for orthogonal trajectory, dy dx replaced by minus dx upon dy. Okay. Now x into dx upon dy plus y equal to 0. Now variable stable, x dx minus y dy is equal to 0. Integrate here, we get x square minus y square equal to a square. This is the required orthogonal trajectory of family of curve xy is equal to k square. Okay. Now k is parameter as well as a is parameter here. Now next problem number 2. Find the orthogonal trajectories. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of circles of the family of circles x square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 equal to 0, where f is the parameter. Now solution is, given family of curve x square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 equal to 0, represented by equation number first. Now similarly here, differentiate with respect to x of equation number first, 2x plus 2y dy dx plus 2f dy dx plus 0 equal to 0. Now we get here the value of f is equal to minus kx dx upon dy minus y. Okay. Now putting the value of f, in given equation number first, then we get x square plus y square minus 2y x dx upon dy plus y equal to plus 1 equal to 0. Now after solving we get x square minus y square plus 1 minus 2xy dx upon dy equal to 0. For orthogonal trajectory, dy dx replaced by minus dx upon dy. Okay, now we get here x square minus y square plus 1 minus plus 2xy dy dx equal to 0. Okay, that is dy dx plus x square plus 1 upon 2xy minus y upon 2x is equal to 0. Okay, y multiplied both sides, then we get y dy dx minus y square upon 2x equal minus x square plus 1 upon 2x. Now putting y square is equal to v, then 2y dy dx equal to dv upon dx, that is the value of y dy upon dx here 1 upon 2 dv upon dx minus y square upon 2x equal minus x square plus 1 upon 2x. Now 2 multiply our equation, then we get dv upon dx minus v upon x. Now put y square is equal to v, therefore we get here v, now v here only v upon x is equal to minus x square plus 1 upon x. This is a linear equation. The solution of linear equation is, first we calculate integrating factor e to the power integration minus dx upon x. Then we get minus log x. This is equal to e to the power log 1 upon x. That is, the value of integrating factor is 1 upon x. Now solution of this linear differential equation of degree 1 can be written as v into integrating factor, that is 1 upon x, is equal to q minus x square plus 1 upon x into integrating factor and integration over with respect to x dx plus any arbitrary constant c. Now y square upon x. Now putting the value of v is equal to y square here. Now integration of this minus x plus 1 upon x plus arbitrary constant c. Now y square is equal to x multiplied both sides minus x square plus 1 plus cx. Okay, now y square plus x square minus cx minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of orthogonal trajectory of the family of given circle x square plus y square plus 2fy plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. Now next problem. The problem is based on family of curve in polar form. Now problem number 3. Find the orthogonal trajectory. Find the orthogonal trajectories of the family of curve are equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, where a is parameter. Now this is the equation of cardioid. Now solution is given equation of family of curve can be written as r is equal to a into 1 minus cos theta, represented by equation number 1. Okay student, that is r equal to a sin square theta by 2. Now taking log both sides. Okay, log r is equal to log 2a plus 2 log sin theta by 2. Now differentiate with respect to r. Differentiate with respect to r. Here 1 upon r equal to 0 plus 2 upon sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 into 1 upon 2 into d theta upon dr. 2 cancel by this 2. Okay. Now we get here r d theta upon dr is equal to tan theta by 2. Okay student. Now in polar form family of curves, now use for orthogonal trajectory. For orthogonal trajectory, r d theta upon dr replaced by minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta. Okay. Now minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta equal to tan theta by 2. On variable separable, dr upon r equal minus tan theta by 2 d theta. Integrate both sides. After integration, we get log r is equal to 2 minus 2 log sec theta by 2 plus any arbitrary constant log c. This is equal to log c into cos square theta by 2. This can be written as log into 1 plus cos theta upon 2. This is equal to log r. Now r is equal to b into 1 plus cos theta, where b is equal to c by 2. This is the required family of orthogonal trajectory, the given family of cardioid. Okay. Now next problem. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. Find the orthogonal trajectory. Find the orthogonal trajectory trajectory of the curve r to the power n equal a to the power n cos n theta. Okay. Now solution is the given family of curve r to the power n is equal to a to the power n cos n theta, represented by equation number first. Now taking log both sides. Taking log both sides. N log r is equal to n log a plus log cos n theta. Now differentiate with respect to r here. N upon r 0 minus 1 upon cos n theta into n sin n theta d theta upon dr. Okay. Now r d theta upon dr is equal to minus cot n theta. For orthogonal trajectory, r d theta upon dr replaced by minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta. Okay. Now minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta equal minus cot n theta. Now my minus cancel by both sides, and after variable separable, dr upon r is equal to cot n theta d theta. After this we integrate both sides. Log r is equal to 1 upon n log sin n theta plus log c. Okay. Now by log property, c into sin n theta whole power 1 upon n. This is equal to log r. That is, we can write r is equal to c sin n theta whole power 1 upon n, or r to the power n is equal to c to the power n into sin n theta. This is the required orthogonal trajectory of the curve r to the power n equal a to the power n cos n theta. Okay, student. Now next problem number 5. Problem 5. Prove that a equal r square cos theta, family of curve has the b is equal to r sin square orthogonal family of curve. Okay. Now solution is given family of curve is capital A is equal to r square cos theta. This is represented by equation number first. Okay. Now taking log both sides, taking log both side. Log A is equal to 2 log R plus log cos theta. Now differentiate with respect to R here. Zero equal to 2 upon R minus sin theta upon cos theta d theta upon dr. Okay. Now r d theta upon dr equal to cot theta. Okay, student. Now for orthogonal trajectory, r d theta upon dr replaced by minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta. That is minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta equal 2 cot theta. Okay. After variables happen, we integrate we get log r is equal to minus 2 log sin theta plus log b. Now log r into sin square theta equal to log b. That is b is equal to r sin square theta. This is proved. Now next problem, problem number 6. Find the equation of the system. Find the equation of the system of orthogonal trajectories of the system of confocal and coaxial parabola. The equation of parabola, r equal to a upon 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Now solution is the given family of curve is equal to r upon 2a upon 1 plus cos theta represented by equation number 1st. Now after solving we get r is equal to a sec square theta by 2. This is equation number 2. Now taking log both side, log r is equal to log a plus 2 log sec theta by 2. Okay. Now differentiate with respect to r. 1 upon r is equal to 0 plus 2 upon sec theta by 2. The differential of sec theta by 2, sec theta by 2 tan theta by 2 into d theta upon dr, due to the differential is with respect to r. Okay. Now sec theta is cancelled by sec theta by 2. Okay, that is r d theta upon dr is equal to cot theta by 2. Now for orthogonal trajectory, r d theta upon dr replaced by minus 1 upon r dr upon d theta here. Now this position can be changed. 1 upon r dr upon d theta equal cot theta by 2. After variable separable and integrate, minus cot theta by 2 d theta. This is equal to log r. The integration of dr upon r is log r, and integration of cot theta by 2 minus 2 log sin theta by 2 plus constant c. Okay, now log r into sin square theta by 2 is equal to log c. Now r into sin square theta by 2 is equal to c. Log cancel by both sides. Now putting the value of sin square theta by 2 is 1 minus cos theta upon 2 is equal to c. That is r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to 2c. It is can be written as b. 2c is equal to b. Okay student, this is the required orthogonal trajectory of the conformal and coaxial parabola. R is equal to 2a 1 plus cos theta is r into 1 minus cos theta is equal to b. Okay student.